Hi friends, this is Muhammad Jibran and welcome to our brand new series for JavaScript language. In this series, I'll be explaining you about the JavaScript language. The JavaScript language was actually derived from another language which was then known as the LiveScript. JavaScript is a client-side programming language. You can do some program or some calculations at the client side. Basically, when the web was growing, the web developers found that when they want to do or when they wanted to perform some calculation or some processing of the data on the client side, they were unable to do that. Since HTML is a static language, you cannot manipulate things or you cannot do any calculations with the HTML. So they had to go with the server-side languages like Java or C#. So this was very expensive because it will always be increasing more traffic on the network. So they wanted to find a simple way to get the simple work done at the client side. So they came up with the LiveScript, and later on the LiveScript was converted to JavaScript. JavaScript is very safe as it cannot directly access your memory or files on the system. So using JavaScript on your system may not directly affect your machine, but indirectly it may do, because if the malicious programmers can write different code using the JavaScript, and they can manipulate your files and what not. So we will start up our tutorial series with creating just a simple JavaScript file, which will be a JavaScript hello world. We'll start by creating a new text file, and now here we will create one simple HTML page. Well, let me tell you, JavaScript is you can run the JavaScript in your browser. You don't need any special compiler or any other software to run your JavaScript. You can do that straight in your browser. This is one method of doing the JavaScript, that is in the notepad or any text editor. You can do the same thing and you can write that code directly in the web browser. I will show you how to do that in a couple of minutes. So now, first of all, what you need to do is write this script tag, type equals text slash JavaScript. Now we'll close this tag, and here also. So our JavaScript will go inside this script tag. Whatever you want to write we should write that using this script tag. This is a basic HTML tags. I hope you all know about the HTML. If you don't know anything about the HTML, then please go back and watch my tutorials on the HTML, and you can come back and continue from here. So for the time being, I'll be writing just a simple hello world statement to my browser. So for that, what I will do is I will write document dot write line, and I want to print hello world in my browser. So this is it, just one line of code. Now we will save this file as javascript.html. okay, make sure you make the extension as HTML. okay, now let me just save this file, and once I have this file, it will look something like this. If I open it, let me get that into view. Now you can see we got printed the hello world. So this is how you can write a simple statement in our web browser. And okay, let me show you one more method to do that. You can right click and you can select inspect element, or you can go for pressing F12. Go to this console tab In that, let me get it up, you can easily write whatever you want and the statement will get executed here only. Document dot, and here you can see you have the statement completion also, auto complete. Here I will write written from console. So if I hit enter, you can see, oops, this is WRI. Okay, you can see written from console. This was directly printed from my console to my web page. Okay, so these are the two ways to write the JavaScript code. One is from the text file, then create a HTML file, or you can directly use the browser's console to write the messages, or if you want, you can create alert boxes. We'll be learning about alert boxes in other tutorials also. So we'll hit enter and you can see an alert box. This box is known as an alert box. So if I hit OK, it goes. So hope you understood the beginning or the initial phase of the JavaScript code. Hope in the next videos we'll be learning more about it, and hope you guys learned it, and thanks for watching.